Good morning students and welcome the students of class 6. Today's topic is kinds of adverbs. Previous videos I have explained the kinds of adverbs. Today I am going to discuss about the exercise. So open your book and look at the exercise. First, exercise 1. Slowly I have written the sentence. Number 1. Slowly and sadly we laid him down. What is the question? Underline the adverbs and its kind. Here slowly and sadly as adverbs. Slowly is the adverbs of manner and sadly as adverbs of manner. Okay. Number 2. Look at the number 2. She acted somewhat foolishly. She acted somewhat foolishly. Here foolishly adverbs. Which kind of adverbs? Please tell. This is adverbs of manner. So, this is adverbs of manner. We looked for her everywhere. Here, everywhere is adverb. And which kind of adverb? Which kind of adverb? This is place. Adverbs of place. Okay. Number 4. The servant is paid monthly. Monthly is adverb and which type? Adverbs of number. Adverbs of number. Okay. Right. Now move on. Exercise 2. Dear students, exercise 2 you will do yourself. The words have given here, you will choose and you will fill it. Now I am discussing exercise 4. Fill in the blanks with adverbs of degree. Fill in the blanks with adverbs of degree. Now he works, number 1, he works dash hard. What is the answer? Very. Okay. Number 2. He was dash worn out. What is the right word? Right word is completely. Completely. Number 3, you are just right. You are absolutely right. So, absolutely right. Number 4, I am dash glad to see you. So, what is the answer? I am really glad to see you. Next, I am dash better today. What is the answer? Quite. Quite. I am quite better today. And next, the cup was dash full. The cup was nearly full. So, you have understood how the words adverbs of degree. So, next exercise you will do. I hope you understood the adverbs of degree, and also you have enjoyed the class. Thank you.